Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Calculating energy transfer from copper to water is actually super fast if you focus on the calorimeter data. Let's solve this chemistry problem right now.
The energy lost by the copper block is exactly equal to the energy gained by the water. We just need to calculate the heat absorbed by the water in the calorimeter. Look at the graph to find the temperature change. The water starts at 20 degrees and reaches a peak of 23 degrees, giving us a change of exactly 3 degrees. Multiply 50 grams of water by the 4.2 specific heat in 3-degree change. This equals 630 joules. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps for option C.